Hey guys, just got a delivery from my buddy over at Yotto Overland with a bunch of Raptorized goodies. Today we're unboxing and installing the Raptorized cowl panel for the Jeep JL and JT. Yotto Overland uses true OEM cowl panels and refinishes them in a tough Raptor lining. Not only do these look great with the texture, but they won't fade in the sun like your stock panel. So it's over to the shop and time to get this installed. First, you'll need to remove the plastic caps on your windshield wipers. These just pop off. Then, using a 15mm socket, remove the nut holding the wiper in place. Now we can just pull the wiper off. You might need to use a little force, and I found giving it a thud really helped. Okay, over to the passenger side. Again, remove the clip, then the 15mm bolt, and then the wiper itself. Now, using a trim removal tool, we can pop the cowl panel off of the Jeep. And check these out side by side. The new one is so much darker and vibrant. With that removed, you might want to take a moment to clean the area, and you can really get in there. Now just set the new panel in place. Once aligned, you can clip it down. Next, reinstall your windshield wipers. Wiper first, then the bolt, and then the cap. Make sure to do the driver's side too. And just like that, we've got a Raptorized cowl panel that won't fade in the sun and matches the rest of the Jeep. Plus it's got the OEM Easter eggs too. This looks great. Grab yours at the link below and save 10% with my promo code. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.